Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss the differences between inflation and recession, two important economic conditions that affect businesses, governments, and individuals around the world. Inflation and recession are often discussed in economics, but they represent very different situations. Inflation refers to a continuous increase in the general price level of goods and services, while recession refers to a significant decline in economic activity. Understanding the differences between them helps us better understand how economies function and why governments take different actions during each condition. Now, let's explore the major differences between inflation and recession. Number 1. Inflation is a general increase in the prices of goods and services over time, whereas recession is a significant decline in economic activity over a period of time. Number 2. During inflation, prices generally rise, whereas during a recession, prices may fall or their growth may slow down considerably. Number 3. Inflation can occur even when the economy is growing, whereas recession is characterized by negative or shrinking economic growth. Number 4. Employment levels may remain strong or increase during inflation, whereas unemployment usually rises during a recession. Number 5. Consumer demand is often high during inflation, whereas consumer demand is generally weak during a recession. Number 6. Inflation reduces purchasing power because money buys fewer goods and services, whereas purchasing power may improve during a recession if prices decline. Number 7. Businesses often expand production to meet rising demand during inflation, whereas businesses usually cut production and investment during a recession. Number 8. Inflation may result from shortages or constraints in the supply of goods and services, whereas recession often leads to excess production capacity and unused resources. Number 9. Central banks usually increase interest rates to control inflation, whereas they often reduce interest rates to stimulate economic activity during a recession. Number 10. Wages may increase during inflation as workers seek higher compensation, whereas wages may stagnate or decline during a recession. Number 11. Government tax revenues often increase in nominal terms during inflation, whereas government revenues generally decrease during a recession. Number 12. Investor confidence may become cautious during inflation due to uncertainty, whereas investor confidence is usually much lower during a recession. Number 13. Stock markets may experience mixed performance during inflation, whereas stock markets often decline during a recession. Number 14. Monetary policy is generally tightened during inflation. On the other hand, monetary policy is usually eased during a recession. Number 15. Inflation gradually reduces living standards by increasing the cost of living, whereas recession causes economic hardship through job losses and reduced income. Number 16. The main cause of inflation is often too much money chasing too few goods or rising production costs, whereas the main cause of recession is insufficient demand, financial crises, or economic shocks. To summarize, inflation means that prices are rising throughout the economy, whereas recession means that the economy is shrinking. Inflation mainly affects purchasing power and the cost of living, while recession mainly affects employment, production, and economic growth. Governments and central banks use different policies to manage each situation and maintain economic stability. Understanding the differences between inflation and recession is essential for students, investors, business owners, and anyone interested in economics. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.